everyone's vlogging, so I was like, shoot, I might as well vlog too. Hey, all right, we're going. Okay, now we're going to meet up with Sam and Rory.
I hate you so much.
It should definitely be sick. We are waiting here. We had to upload our videos to YouTube, so he's uploading his. Mine and Jake's finished, but Bo's uploading his. So we're vlogging here.
Okay, so we're just gonna go to Malibu right now, and we're.
Leave me alone.
Oh yes.
Never mind. I'll just catch you guys when we get to
Thank you. You too. So are you getting left?
Yeah, get those shots, bro. Get those shots.
Just gotta wait, dude.
By the way, you do things to my body.
We're all fitting in this tiny little car. Oh shoot. Yo! Dude. Yo, how's this gonna work?
Watch out real quick. Okay.
So we are out here right now.
People are in here.
Too many.
Ready? Watch it.
You good?
Oh, we're in!
I was gonna say someone could sit in the front.
Are you
What the hell? Someone getting from us.
God damn. We got this.
What is he doing? Oh! Oh my god!
Oh, I'm kind of scared. I don't want to fall out.
My sons, be free.
Oh, there's so many of us cramped in there.
Amiga.
Oh, slipper.
Oh.
My bad.
That is like the sketchiest hill to climb down. I slid like 10 times.
How do you get on that side?
There's like a little trail right here.
Record out of your camera.
Nah, like that's like shit I don't do. I wouldn't back.
Oh my.
Not now.
Dude, this is triple gainer.
Yeah, no problem.
Triple gainer.
Layout.
Finally made it.
All the way up there. That's
Dang, that's yeah.
70 foot.
That's what we did last time.
So I can learn how to love. I know it.
You jump from right there, right?
Yeah. Where those towers. It's crazy.
You just jumped from it, and it was crazy for him, and then Sam double backed it.
That's crazy.
This is layout too.
And then they're about to do a 70. That's crazy.
Oh, they're about to do the 70? Yeah. Are they gonna flip?
Nah, I think so.
Oh
They
shoot.
throw an 80 last time.
Kevin, you're up, dude.
Nah, like.
My God. Perfect.
Yeah.
That was so nice.
I'm just getting that blood.
Yo, my neck feels a little weird.
Put it on the shirt.
You were too chill.
I jumped off and I was just
It's like coughing up blood.
However long he holds his hands in for, that's 3 million.
go.
Cold?
Dude, I'm like
You cold?
not good with the.
You guys had that
with cold water.
Alright, let's dip, dude. My nipples are frozen. They're like hard freaking rock candy.
How much money's on that raft right now, that $10 raft?
Thousands. At least. Could be like 50,000. Yeah.
$50,000 on that $10 raft. Why not? Why not? So that was fun. There was a few people. There was Taylor Cut Films, Sam, Matt Como, and Rory Kramer. It was fun. It was sick. I mean, I've never been to this place. It is definitely a struggle to get down here, but I think it was worth it. I'm kind of cold. We're gonna take another trip out, put our cameras back on that raft, swim it back over. So here we go.
Hey.
It's just sketchy because it's a cliff. No, thank you.
Oh my.
Holy mother.
Wait.
What? What?
Why? Sam.
That's sketch.
That is sketchy.
Because if we die,
Oh.
we got it on footage, you know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying. I mean, it's all on video, right?
Yo, I'm a dieist, which means like, I want to die, but on camera, so.
See down there.
Where?
It's a donut.
I can't see that far, dude.
Dude, look.
Wait, I'm fire line, dude. I got a fire line, Kevin. Whoa. I'm just joking. Hey, life on the edge. I'm dangling my feet.
I tried to pay attention, but attention pays me. Alright, dude, it was nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys. Take it easy.
Yeah, you too.
Oh.
3 tries each. We'll see who gets it first.
Alright.
Can you actually not do it?
Contest.
Yeah.
It's contest.
High five. What?
You get a high five whoever wins.
Alright, sick.
Oh. 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 First try.
Take it easy, man. Yo, respect for everything. I'll see you
Nice
guys in a
meeting you,
bit.
dude.
Yeah. Later. You guys are dope. If I leave anything, I'll just pick it up. Oh,
You're chilling. It was already empty. Hey, last question. Are you a man or a mouse?
oh, that's a tough one, man. Definitely a man.
I'm
He's
so
a man.
he's a
When I
man.
backflip on that scooter in 2 days.
Later.
Take 2 because my freaking mic wasn't on. Alright, so super sick day today, cliff jumping. I've never been to that place. Super sick day, met up with Sam, Taylor Cut Films, Matt Como, Roy Kramer, a bunch of them. It was super fun. Here's Kevin and Bo. And we just got done eating Chipotle. But if you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Thanks, guys.